bottom, the other part of A&M. Today we got a call from a guy who has a beautiful lake house that is hoarder style packed to the max. So today I'm coming out to give him an estimate. Hopefully I don't get murdered because it's in the middle of nowhere. All right, let's see what we're getting into today. Gotta hike down a whole path to get here. Looks like all kinds of trash outside. Shopping carts full of trash. Not sure what that is. Looks like floral foam. A whole trailer full of sheets of plywood. Some junk out here. A bunch of junk over here on the deck. I don't know if we can get in that door. I think we're gonna have to go around back. Looks like piles of trash underneath the deck. Oh, it's at an old couch. Lovely. Some junk up there on that deck. It's got a beautiful view. Stuff over here. Not sure how to get to all that junk, but he said he wanted that junk to all go too. Underneath the deck. Kind of hard to see. Looks like a ton of trash. A random sink over there. All right, let's try to go inside and see what awaits us in there. All right. Oof, can't even open the door. Wow. Mountains of trash. I gave it the old college try. I cannot open that door any farther. Okay, well, we could not get in that door to fully see all the rooms. So I'm gonna try going around this side. And I have no idea what's going on with this door. There's like some kind of strange contraption. I just cannot even begin here. Okay, yeah. Can't get inside of here either. Looks like a ton of junk. See if I can go around and look inside this window over here. There's just all these strange ropes tied up around everything. Really not sure what it is. Wonder what this metal frame here was for. An old fridge here. Lovely. I don't know if you can see inside there. Looks like the electricity's on. There's a fan going. Creepy. Tons of junk inside there. So something like this, I would almost tell them, you know, we can order a dumpster, start clearing out the house, but we can't even get inside the house to fully see what's all in there. I would just say probably a 30-yard dumpster, you know, clear up out here, clear up in the doorway. We could probably get most of it. The house itself isn't very big, even though it looked like it was piled to the ceiling of junk. Probably could get it all inside of a 30-yard dumpster. And if not, just let the customer know ahead of time that it might be more. If you can see my truck out there, that's where the road is. If they delivered a dumpster, they might only be able to get it to right here where this pile of stuff is, because it goes pretty downhill after that. All right, guys. We just got done taking a look at that property and it was pretty disgusting. There was crap everywhere. I couldn't even get the doors open. Looks like it would have been a great property if, you know, it was cleaned up. So we got the numbers together. We're just waiting to see if they're gonna go for it and then we'll get the job done. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See ya.